G. Finley Garage here. We're back again for another episode, and bam, guess what we're doing today? Roof repair. It's not my favorite job to do, but we gotta do it. The Jeep's calling for it. So we're gonna go out there and take this outside today and have some fun. So today's tool of choice is an orbital sander. You don't want to use your elbow grease for this one, so we're going to rip this stuff off as fast as possible. I got about 150 sandpaper grit on here. Let's go to town. People have been asking me, what do you use as a rust inhibitor? I told them I couldn't say because it's a secret. But actually it's a stuff called Curacao. This stuff's used in huge industrial applications like freighter ships and tugboats, heavy machinery, you name it. So we're going to try it out here on the Jeep and see how it works for us. And all we got to do now is prime that roof, paint it, and call it a day. And that's G. Finley Garage style. Yeah, it's all about budget around here. So I hope you enjoyed that little episode, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.